Hi there. In this video, I will go over the steps I took to extract text and tables from the PDF files. I'm recording this especially. I create a lot of modules and code of lot of things, but I eventually forget and miss all those files. I just want to keep track of all the files and projects I'm working on. So I will be putting all the projects in the GitHub and as well as have a recording on YouTube. So in this project I used two approaches in the code to accomplish the PDF extraction. The first approach is to extract text directly using the PDF miner, because all the inputs I have is of different input formats. So for instance, in the input folder text tag, so these are the inputs. So if you see, all the inputs were in different formats for this PDF. One of the PDF is in different format and other were in different table structure. So the approach one basically extract all the text from the file, which uses PDF miner library. I specifically experimented with this library to because PDF miner recognize the pattern of various PDF patterns, and it will extract all the text from it. But unfortunately, when I ran the first approach, the results were not that much great. It's creating a CSV file after extracting all the data. So we have 9 PDF files. One of them are JPEG image format. So when we check the output of this folder, it was not that much great. All of them are in single format, and the data was not that much structured to do some effective task from the data. So I experimented with another approach, which basically uses two libraries. One is PyPDF2 and another is Tabula. So PyPDF2 is specifically used to extract text alone from the PDF, and Tabula is a very popular library in Python to extract tables from the PDF. So what I have done is I'm reading all the PDF formats in a specific folder and creating one individual folder for each PDF, so that in that main folder we have two different subfolders, one to save all the tables and one to save all the text. So we are extracting all the text from the PDF using PyPDF2, and similarly we are extracting all the tables using Tabula library. And after extracting, we are passing it to another function to save it as individual text in each of the page in the PDF, as well as save all the tables in separate CSV file. So I'm running this command. Before that, I will show you the path where it will be stored. We have empty folder. I'm running it. PyPDF2 and Tableau is basically taking some time to extract all the text and tables from the PDF. So it's pretty much taking more time than the PDF miner. So you see, for each PDF, we name the PDF as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, we have 1, 2, and it's keep on processing. So I will open one of the PDF. So we have tables from the PDF as well as the text. So I will open the PDF. So let's open table 2 for example. So here it is. So you see, we have the private label and all of the details from the table 2. And let's open table 4. So we have 555, unnamed, confirmed, and almost the data is structured rather than the first approach we tried. And also we have text data from the same. So it's basically extract text from each page of the PDF and store it in separate PDF file. So in the page number 1, let's say we have the same format. Let's open randomly page number 4. We have the following from the page number 4. Page number 6, we have the following text from page number 6. So we basically stored the data in both text format and table format. Yeah, it would be great if we have a common format for the end all the PDFs. For example, if we have a common invoice which has a common pattern, a name, and the number of products and the cost, so we can extract those data in a structured way and store it properly in a managed system. So one common challenge in PDF is a resume. Let's take resume as an example. We might have applied for jobs which takes a resume as inputs and extract all the data in various formats. We have seen, we might have experienced that some of the resumes would have never extracted properly. They just extract some random text in different formats. So they might have programmed it to extract resumes in a specific pattern which doesn't work for other resume formats. So it would be always great if we have a PDF in one common format to program it properly to extract the data properly. Similarly, I will give the GitHub repo link in the description so that it will be easy for me to take a reference in the future.